think there has been a film made in this world which mixes two completely diametrically opposite.
और विवान का नाम हमने रायन रखा था, लेकिन हमने बोला ये धीरे धीरे बहुत ज़्यादा कैथलिक फिल्म होती जा रही है, इसलिए हमने उसको रोहन बना दिया. So that's it. I mean, it's always interesting to find little quirky names. और आजकल लोग accept भी करते हैं, तो we are hoping that we want Charlie.
Yeah, I'm Rajesh from BollywoodTrade.com. The question is from Shah Rukh and Farha.
Question is from us or to?
No, for you.
Okay, for
both
us.
of you.
Thank you.
You're talking about this heist genre. You know, this genre has been tried out quite a bit in the West. Now, do you think that your film would be able to compete with some of the best heist films ever made? And do you think Bollywood films have the strength to transcend the domestic boundaries? The way, I mean, it has happened actually in case of My Name is Khan and all. What do you think about this film? Will it be able to do well internationally, can make money in billions?
I answer that as a producer first, before Farah takes on. Billions will be difficult. I think Avatar is the only billion film. But inshallah, the time is not far away that Indian films will do that. As far as this film is concerned, the genres, I think, are very unique. It's very, I think, I may be speaking out of turn, not with full knowledge, but I don't think there has been a film made in this world which mixes two completely diametrically opposite genres, which is dance and a heist. It's never been done before. So that mix itself, I think the writers and Farah, I think it's an amazingly unique concept. And the way it has been shot by Manoj sir and the production values given by the whole team, I can very, and I don't say it because I'm the producer of the film, I say it on behalf of as an audience because I've seen a part of this film. This film can compete with any film internationally as what it looks like and even better. And I'm not showing off. And it may not do the business of a heist international film. It may not be the time right now for Indian films to take that. But here is a film that will, in terms of quality, will make every Indian, everyone around the world extremely proud for being a Bollywood film audience. And it's been made with that scale, with that idea, and that vision, that thought, that belief only comes because you have a director like Farah Khan. So inshallah, it will make you very, very proud.
Last question of the evening.
Good evening, Shah Rukh. Anand from India Times. We saw quite a lavish and daring stunt on a helipad, few sequences in the promo. So, a lot has been said about the dancing. Is action also an equally big highlight of the film? Well, it looks really nice, whatever we saw in the promo.
You know, actually, all the, I keep joking with Farah that, she being a lady, we tease her. That's the only thing we can tease her about.
He teases me that I'm a lady, first.
No, but that's the only thing we joke about, that tere ko action nahi aata, tere ko action nahi aata. You've got this macho Sonu Sood, you have Abhishek Bachchan, myself, Jagguda, the greatest of he-men all around, and of course Boman, who's
last of the action heroes.
Last of the action heroes. Deepika herself, actually. So we always keep joking with her. But let me tell you, I worked with some of the finest directors in this country. But if there's a lady who knows aggression and action, or anybody in the world who nobody knows it better than Farah. So there's an amazing amount of action.
And I have a great person in charge of my thrills department. If you have followed my last two movies, he always gets credit for thrills. Because when I conceive of an action this much, he goes and makes it this much.
No, but in this film has a lot more action than her previous two films. I think Sonu's introduction itself, which is quite it's really, really nice. My introduction, the heist itself being so thrilling and active, and it forms a major part of the film. I think it's beautifully conceived and shot by Farah.
I think we changed our style of action. There's no guns this time because my son doesn't like guns.
Yeah.
So Zar, there's no guns in the movie for you.
And Abhishek will tell you about the action also. Yeah.